Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install Grafana on Oracle Linux 9.2. Grafana is a multi-platform open source analytics and interactive visualization web application that provides chats, graphs, and alerts for the web. When connected to the supported data source, you can visualize results from multi-data sources simultaneously. First, I am going to check the OS set by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.2. Next, I am going to add the Grafana M repository by using the following command. Add those some contents. Save and exit from the file. Next, when repository of Grafana has been configured, Grafana can be easily installed by running the following command. Next, to know the package information, use the following command. The Grafana version is 10.1. Next, Grafana service managed by systemd. Start the service and enable it to start on boot by using the following command. Next, default port username 3000. If you have another process using this port, you will need to set custom port in Grafana configuration file /etc/grafana/grafana.ini. To know the status of Grafana using the following command. It is active and running. If you have a running firewall service, allow port number 3000 for access the dashboard from the internet. Once reload the firewall, Next, access Grafana on the web browser. Open the web browser. Enter the IP address with the port number. It is the Grafana login page. The default logins are username admin, password also admin. You can set new password. This is the dashboard of Grafana. This is the process to install Grafana or Oracle Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.